Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, remove the case, SD card, and any USB cables so nothing shorts power. Charge the phone to 30% or more because sporadic power can mask causes. Once charged, try a normal restart. If it immediately reboots, perform a force reboot using the device-specific button combo. You're checking if a soft reset stops the loop. Make sure to note recent apps or updates, those often trigger crashes. If the phone stays on briefly, you're ready for the next diagnostic layer. Once in safe mode, third-party apps are disabled so you can isolate causes. You boot into safe mode by holding the power menu and long pressing power off, or using the hardware method for your model. Follow prompts and observe stability. If the phone stays on, uninstall the most recent or suspicious apps one at a time and reboot between removals. If instability persists even without extras, clear the cache partition via recovery to remove corrupted temporary system files. This often fixes boot loops without data loss. If previous steps fail, back up everything you can, photos, contacts, app data, because the next step erases user data. Perform a factory reset from settings or recovery. This removes persistent software faults. If the reset doesn't stop the on-off cycle, reflash the stock firmware using the manufacturer tool or Odin for compatible devices, because corrupted system images can cause loops. Finally, if reflashing fails, the issue may be hardware. Seek authorized repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.